How to recall the messages on Gmail that has already been sent. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I will show you how you can recall the messages on your Gmail account. So for that, make sure you go on the Gmail account and have already logged in with your account from here. If you have already logged in from your account in Gmail account, then on the top left side you will see there is three vertical lines. On the three vertical lines, you can simply tap on sent option and see all the sent messages that you have sent on certain time. You can also view the time right there. For example, when I tap on this sent option, I can see it is sent on 6 March and also on 10 February. But there is also next option and a more good option how you can see your recall messages. Tap on the setting option. After you do that, simply tap on the account that you want to recall messages, and now you can manage labels and you can simply see the messages that you have sent by managing labels and typing certain date and then see the messages that you have sent. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.